Kentucky Fried Chicken is one of the biggest fast food companies in the world, which has 17,000 stores in more than 100 countries. The success of KFC is the original recipe of 11 herbs and spices. Colonel Sanders invented the original recipe in 1939. The recipe was the only secret between Sanders, his wife, Claudia, and Jack C. Massey of business partners. Jack C. Massey acquired the company from Sanders in 1964 for $2 million and he became co-management. Probably, the recipe seems to have been recorded on paper for the first time. This copy of the recipe, signed by Sanders, is held inside a safe inside a vault in KFC's Yam Brown's headquarters. It is said that constantly only 2 executives know the perfect recipe, and furthermore it is not announced who they are. They cannot hang out together. And they cannot talk about recipes at all. In the production process, one company blends half of the recipe, and another company blends the other half. Then the both recipes are mixed at another facility with a computer control. By doing that, it prevents being targeted by industrial spies. Now the secret recipe is kept locked in a digital safe of 770 pounds, protected by 2 feet of concrete and a human sensor. 2 keys and 2 types of pin are required to open the safe, and there is nobody who can obtain all of them. The cabinet where the safe is installed is monitored 24 hours a day, and if the safe is broken, the cabinet will be overflowed with security guards who came running within 30 seconds of the break.